Rajesh sir's English class. Today's topic kinds of sentences. Hi Naveen,
Hi Rajesh.
how are you?
Great, thank you. What about you?
You are doing well?
What are you doing these days?
Yeah, I am making videos for students.
Oh, what an excellent idea it is.
Hey, it's not my idea. It's our principal, Faris sir's idea.
Fine. Will you come tomorrow?
Yes, I will.
Okay, I will meet you tomorrow.
Okay, bye Naveen.
Bye Rajesh.
Details of conversation between Naveen and me, Rajesh. Here, I am taking the initial letters for writing this conversation. Here, R means Rajesh, N means Naveen. Here, Rajesh. Hi Naveen, how are you? Naveen, great, thank you. What about you? Doing well. By observing this conversation, we understood that while we are doing conversation or saying something, we are using sentences, a group of words, sentences. And here, if you observe this conversation, here the first sentence, what I said, hi Naveen. Here, this is called exclamatory sign. And here, this is a word interjection, hi, and Naveen, it's a name noun. And here, if you are observing the second sentence, here the sentence ends with question mark. And here the sentence starts with question word. Here the sentence ends with question mark and starts with question word how. And here great, thank you, it's a reply. And what about you? This is also a question, starts with the question word and ends with question mark. Here doing well, it's an incomplete sentence, but it's called a imperative sentence. Without using subject, we are making this sentence doing well, I am doing well. Here the next question, what are you doing these days? This is also a question, starts with a question word and ends with question mark. Here I am making videos for students. This is a statement. Statement or the declaration by Rajesh. Here, what an excellent idea it is. Here the sentence starts with what and ends with the exclamatory sign. When the sentence ends with the exclamatory sign, here we call it as a exclamatory sentence. And here, it's not my idea. This is also a affirmative sentence or a statement. It's our principal Faris sir's idea. Here, this is also a declaration. Fine, will you come tomorrow? Here it starts with helping verb. And here the sentence ends with question mark. Here we understood that not only we are making the questions with question word, we are also making the questions with helping verbs. And here the answer is yes, I will. And here, okay, I will meet you tomorrow. This is also an affirmative sentence. Bye, Naveen. Bye, Rajesh. Here, after observing this conversation, we came to an idea that every sentence has its own qualities. So, we are calling this and the learning this we call it as a kinds of sentence. Here it's a kinds of sentences. Here we have four types of sentences in English. First one is affirmative sentence, declarative sentence or statement. And the second one is imperative sentence. And the third one is interrogative sentence. Interrogative is nothing but asking questions. Interrogative sentence and expressing you in your way views in exclamatory sentences. Sudden expressions. Here these are the four types of sentences. Here kinds of sentences. After observing the sentences, they classified the sentences into four types. Kinds of sentences, there are four types. Here the first one, assertive sentence. Assertive, and also we call it as a declarative. And we also call it as a statement. Statement sentence. And the second one is imperative sentence. And the third one is interrogative sentence. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Here the kinds of sentences, four types. First one is assertive or declarative or statement sentences, and the second one is imperative sentence, and the third one is interrogative sentence, and the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. Assertive, declarative, statement sentences. For example, I eat mango. Here, this type of sentences starts with capital letter and ends with full stop. And ends with full stop. And here, in this statement or declaration or assertive sentences, the possibility to write the negative also. I don't eat banana. Here I eat mango is a statement, and I don't eat mango, it's a negative statement. Here in these types of sentences, positive and negative also possible. Negative also possible. First sentence, I eat mango. Second, I do not eat banana. Here, remember that the sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop. Possibility of making positive and negative type sentences. Here, imperative sentence. In this statement or the declaration or assertive sentences, we are taking subject, verb plus object. But in imperative sentences, we are taking only verb plus object. We are taking only verb plus object. Watch this video. Watch this video. Here I start the sentence with the verb and other part of the sentence, but without subject. Here without subject. Without subject. This type of sentence is called imperative sentences. Here the sentences begin with the verb, and ends with full stop. Begin with verb and ends with full stop. Next, interrogative sentences. Here by listening this word interrogative, here we are seeing police in the stations or CID. They are interrogating the things, asking the questions and try to get the information from them. That is called interrogative sentences. Who are you? It's a famous word. Who are you? Here we have a Telugu song with this also. Who are you? Here, who are you? Here, in these type of sentences, we are using question word at the beginning and ends with question mark. Ends with question mark. And this type of sentences called interrogative sentences. Here, do you eat mango? This is also a question, but not started with a question word. Instead of, we started this question with helping verb. Here the possibility is there to ask the question with the helping verb. And this type of questions we are calling yes or no type questions. Here the question starts with the question word and ends with question mark. And it's a possibility to start with the helping verb and ends with the question mark. This type of questions called yes or no type question. Here the exclamatory sentence. Here, exclamatory means expressing sudden feelings. If you see anything which is unusual, we are surprised, and we are using this type of sentences. What a beautiful scene it is. By seeing the Taj Mahal or any monument or the historical place, we are saying what a beautiful scene it is. It says expressing your sudden feeling. For expressing your sudden feelings, we are using this exclamatory sentence. In the next class, we will learn in detail. Worksheet on kinds of sentences. Worksheet. Identify the type of sentence and write down the sentences belongs to which kind. Here we are watching video classes of Kakatiya School. Read the sentence carefully and identify it and write down what kind of sentence it is. Second one, complete your worksheet. Read it and write down the kind of sentence. What a terrible shock it was. Read the sentence and identify the sentence. Where are you? Read the sentence carefully and write down what kind of sentence it is. Stay home and be happy. Thank you.